Hi guys, my name is Ethan and I am so excited for the video today. I'm going to show you how to make freeze-dried ice cream sandwiches just like I did with my siblings. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, Mom and Dad are gone. What are we going to do?
What about that new freeze dryer?
Oh yeah.
That's a good idea. What should we make? Pizza? Noodles? Ramen?
How about soup?
Nah, that's disgusting.
Anyone got any ideas?
How about ice cream?
Ice cream sandwich?
Oh yeah, ice cream sandwiches. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, where are we gonna get them?
Oh, you know what? I got an idea to get ice cream sandwiches. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream sandwiches!
Whoa!
Fat boy.
The magician never reveals his secrets.
No.
Alright guys, we gotta cut these up and put them on the pans. I'll get you one, Ethan.
Nope. Open this up. Let's tear it open.
Yeah,
Be careful of taking them out.
Take one at a time.
Do I cut mine?
There.
Do I kind of like?
Oh, jeez. This smells delicious. Look.
We've got 20 fat boys here now.
Plus 7 Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches.
Onto 4 Harvest Right trays to go into our medium freeze dryer.
So we can have them for dessert.
Yummy!
The first thing you want to do is start your pre-frozen cycle. The way you'll do that is, go ahead and push the start button. Go ahead and tap pre-frozen. In about half an hour, it should be ready for you to put the food in.
Don't forget to close your drain valve. Go ahead and press continue. 1 second, I will be back with some awesome ice cream sandwiches. Alright, as you can see, our process is now complete. It took a little bit longer than we thought it would though. We thought it would only be about 6 hours. And as you can see, it took a little bit over 21. Now that it's complete, we're going to open the drain valve so we can vent the chamber and open the door.
I'm going to go ahead and open the drain valve. First, I want to ensure that there is absolutely no water in the bucket. This will vent the chamber so that we can open the door. Oh my god. You guys ready to try these?
Yeah!
Let's dig in!